Hi, my name is Jackson. I'm with Roller Ramp, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between our standard approach plate and our load-bearing approach plate. Both these plates are used to transition from the ramp to the landing area. Note that the bottom of all ramps are the same as they are a standard approach plate. The upper aluminum standard approach plate is the lighter option, and it's good for valley buyers. A good use for this is a curve step as shown here, or for going over obstacles in a short distance. The load-bearing approach plate has a strong zinc-coated steel construction. It allows for a smoother transition to the landing area. It has rubber grip strip to hold the ramp in place as shown here. It does not need a ramp link on the landing surface, and is good for heavier scooters, power chairs, or cargo. To summarize, standard approach plates are a great value for simple use cases. And the upper load-bearing approach plate is great for heavier loads and tighter spaces.
Roller Ramp, where strength and flexibility meet.